Tassie proud, and I'll shout it out loud for everyone in Hobart Town to listen to the new sound and get down with pride. From my birth till my death, Tassie will be my life, with my baby girls and my woman by my side, taking harassment from bogans all in my stride, living my life one day at a time. My rhymes will never be beaten. If you represent Tassie, never be retreating from mainland Australia. Never settle for being called a Tasmanian failure. Say that to me and I'll nail ya to the wall. Whether we're in the street or in the mall, I can walk tall with my head held high. I can walk the streets late at night, not have to worry about being knifed. It's a blissful life to live, it's where I wanna raise my kids. But too many are making this place shit. They don't stop to think, too busy in the square on the drink. Another goon bag, ready to sink. I'm sick of this shit, I'm ready to cut sick. These dumb cunts should love this place where we live. Be proud of the dark clouds, be proud of the rain. Who knows when the rain will come again? I strain my brain trying to send this message. All of us should be proud of our heritage. Love this place, be Tassie proud. If you're a Tasmanian, shout it out loud. Don't walk around with a frown, smile. Be proud to live on the Devil's Isle. Us Tasmanians have been given a bad rep since Port Arthur. When Martin Bryant went off his head, he left many dead, but many more scarred. Why should we be compared to that fucking retard? Life's hard enough as it is, without prejudgments and all that other shit, but we learn to deal with it as time goes on. My mind's ready to rhyme, that's why I'm writing this song. For too long, Tassie's been getting dissed out, but I'm ready to step up, cause guess what? I'm Tassie proud. This song isn't for the clowns who sit in town and drink beer, saying if they left Tassie, they'd be in the clear. Cool, that's fine, fuck off, cause we don't want you here. Bashing little kids, running around thinking yous are feared. I wish the cops had a seen it, you would've gone down for years. I've shed many tears for many of my peers. 3 cheers for those who were better themselves and managed to beat their mental hells. Left with many tales to tell about being sick and then getting well. They may have fell, but they got back up from a life of crime and running amok to having a job and actually giving a fuck. It sucks that there's good and evil, but I still love Tassie and all of its people.